Stop letting your AI character shift faces and stop settling for bad lip sync. Today I'm showing you the ultimate workflow and giving you free prompts and templates to fix both using Seedance 2.0 and GPT Image 2. Take a look at this. The templates and prompts are in the description below, but stick around, because I'll be showing you exactly how to apply them. Alright guys, we're starting things off inside Claude. We're going to use this specific prompt template to craft the song instructions for Suno. If you already have your own song, you can skip this step and jump straight to the next step. Alright, it is very simple. Just fill in the brackets for your mood, genre and topic. For this example, I will choose the uplifting pop song about love. Then, I'll just tell Claude to fill in the rest and generate a prompt. Once Claude finishes, copy the generated text and head over to Suno. Click create and make sure you're using custom mode. Paste the instructions into the style box and paste the generated verses into the lyrics box. Before you generate, scroll down to your settings and I'm going to select vocal gender to female. Make sure lyrics mode is set to manual. For the weirdness and style influence sliders, you can play around with these and choose what works best for you. I'll bump mine up, hit create, and soon will generate your custom track. Now, we need our singer. As you can see, I use this specific prompt to generate this initial character image. Take your base character image, use our prompt template and generate multi-angle character sheet. Once your character sheet is ready, we have everything we need to build a music video. Here is where magic happens. Let me give you a massive pro tip. Since Seedance 2.0 generates clips up to 15 seconds long, you need to bring your Suno song into an editor, like a Premiere Pro or CapCut. Chop your audio track into 15-second segments and export each of those short segments as a video file. Shout out to Travis Davids on X for highlighting this audio sync workflow and to Aroha for originally discovering it. Go back to Claude, attach your MP3 of the song we just made in Suno and attach your character sheet. Paste in our Seedance 2.0 video prompt template and add this instruction. Craft scenes, maximum 4000 characters using the prompt template for Seedance 2.0. I have here a singer, this is a song. Because we attached the audio file, Claude will analyze the tempo, the energy drops and the rhythm, and write out perfectly timed shot-by-shot cinematic scenes for us. There is one more crucial thing we need to do before we take this prompt into Gemini. The original template I used missed a very important tag, so you need to make sure you add it. You must include this exact tag in your prompt. Music is @video1, but don't worry, the free template link in the description below already has this tag included and ready for you. This is incredibly important. If you do not include this tag, the AI will not know to use your attached video file as the audio source, and your lip syncing will completely fail. You must tell the AI the music is coming from the video 1. You will see how this works. I uploaded my character sheet as image 1. And right here I uploaded the 15-second Suno song we exported from Premiere Pro as my video 1. Even though it's just a black screen, Gemini reads the audio from this file and matches it to the music is @video1 tag in the prompt, and generates highly accurate lip sync for your character. Once you have generated all your 15-second clips, just stitch them back together in your editor over the original audio track and your music video is complete. If this music video workflow helped you out, consider subscribing, and if you want to learn how to keep your backgrounds from shifting and changing during your videos, click the video on the screen right now to learn my consistent environment workflow. And I will see you in the next one.